Hi, I'm Ev Duran with Ecosense. Today, we're talking about one of our newest products. It's small, it's powerful, it's flexible. It's TROV Flex. You're probably already familiar with the other members of the TROV family, including TROV itself, which is the benchmark of quality and dependability, and is configurable into 24 different beam angles, making it especially ideal for cove, wall wash, line of light, and grazing applications. And this is TROV Slim, another brilliant cove lighting solution, and one that packs amazing power into a sleek profile barely wider than a quarter. Now, TROV Flex is an excellent durable choice for a ton of different project types, both because it is extremely small, at less than ½ inch tall and 3/4 of an inch wide, but also because it is IP67 rated, meaning it's impervious to rain, sunlight, chemicals, even time. In fact, TROV Flex is the smallest exterior graze on the market, ready to shine its beautiful light both indoors and out. Another awesome benefit of TROV Flex is that it can be utilized as a complete fixture for more robust installations, with end caps, a leader cable, and a dust cover. Or a simpler, more economic version can consist of just the luminaire itself, mounted with these easy-to-use brackets here. Let's talk built-in optics. With TROV Flex, you have 3 options. 2 of our optics are designed for grazing purposes, and those are our 10x10 and our 15x40. Then we have our Asymmetric Optic, which, as you can see, is shorter on one side and taller on the other. And this makes it ideal for sitting in a cove and projecting light outward across the ceiling, as one example. Or, for wall washing applications, you can position the fixture on a vertical surface, creating a cascade of light down the wall. The 10x10 and 15x40 models offer a lot of optional accessories to make sure you can get the exact effect you're looking for. As you can see, when paired with the extrusion, TROV Flex has a similar look and feel to the original TROV product, only it's much smaller, able to fit into all sorts of tight architectural spaces. One of the most useful features of our TROV lineup is the easy aiming, the adjustability. We wanted to make sure that that same frictionless aiming was a part of TROV Flex. So, when you use an extrusion, these easy-to-use brackets snaps right on, and with a hex key, you can lock that angle into place so you get the exact angle you want every time. This particular extrusion is our clear anodized finish, although they are also available in white and black. TROV Flex is available in 2 different outputs, 4 watts per foot, which delivers around 440 lumens per foot, or 9 watts per foot, which delivers about 700 lumens per foot. TROV Flex is available in 4 color temperatures, ranging from 2700 to 4000 Kelvin, and provides dimming down to 0%. So in conclusion, if you're looking for top-shelf performance in a beautifully discreet package, TROV Flex, it's tough to beat. For more information, please visit ecosenselighting.com or contact your local rep. Thank you so much for watching.